SMART goals examples for business and project management. SMART is an acronym that stands for specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound to refer to a process of setting your business or personal goals. Using the SMART approach helps individuals and/or organizations to set better targets that are specific and measurable. What are the 5 SMART goals? Specific. The S refers to specific. While setting the goal, you need to be specific and write what you exactly want to do. If you could use action verbs, you will express your goals better. For example, you can write, "I'm going to," instead of writing, "I want." This will help you to focus on your purpose. Measurable. The M refers to measurable, quantifiable. The goal should be quantifiable so that you can understand when the project goal has been reached. If you could use numbers and quantities, you will clarify better. For example, signing a contract with 10 new customers is a measurable goal. Achievable. The A refers to achievable, attainable. It reminds you to check to make sure that the goal is attainable. Because team members are motivated by goals that are attainable. They should understand the steps that need to be followed to complete the objective. For example, signing a contract with 10 new customers is a reachable goal. Relevant. The R refers to relevant. You should focus on the goals that you need. The goals should be relevant and realistic. Analyze the budget. Ask yourself if your team has the knowledge to achieve this goal. Time-bound. The T refers to time-bound, or timely. You need to create a schedule and define the completion date for the goal. Detail the substages. For example, signing a contract with 10 new customers in 12 months is a timely goal. SMART goals example for project management: complete the project in 10 months. According to the contract, project duration is 12 months. In that example, project manager Adam sets the following goals with his team to complete the project in 10 months. Now let's set the SMART goals for this construction project. Specific, complete the project in 10 months without overspending. Measurable, planned progress will not be less than %10/month. Attainable, we will bring 100 additional skilled worker and 10 machines. Our plan is to complete the project 2 months earlier. Additional manpower and machinery cost will be less than the indirect costs of 2 months. Relevant, we will demonstrate our performance to the client and sign the next contract. Time-based, all the project work will be completed in 10 months including testing and commissioning. More SMART goals examples. SMART goals examples for the project acquisition process of a consultant firm. Specific, sign 10 projects per year. Measurable, in order to get 10 contracts, we will have 30 proposals. Attainable, in the last decade we had 8 projects per year, and we have been growing by 20%, so a growth rate of 25% is achievable. Relevant, we will participate in Expo to improve our firm's recognition. Time-bound, we will perform work performance reports to track our performance and contingency planning. SMART goals examples for launching a website. Specific, launch a website for $10,000. Measurable, the website will include 10 pages, 50 blog posts, and a forum. Attainable, we will assign a senior designer for 200 hours and a developer for 250 hours. Relevant, the senior developer will work 20 hours per week and the senior designer will work 25 hours per week. Time-bound, the website will be completed 10 months. A SMART goal example for personal life. Specific, I will earn more salary. Measurable, I will document my performance and work with my manager closely to ensure he will see my progress. Attainable, I will work hard and provide more value to the company. Relevant, I will participate in project groups to show my performance in the company. I will also participate in personal development courses to improve my skills. Time-bound, I will accomplish these goals within 1 year. SMART goals examples for improving customer satisfaction. Specific, we will respond to all customer questions within 6 hours. Measurable, we will answer the calls within 3 rings of the line and close the support tickets within 4 hours of being opened. Attainable, we will employ 10 more service team members to meet the performance requirements. Relevant, improving response rates is essential for our business, therefore, we will demonstrate our performance to the customers. Time-bound, we will accomplish these goals by the end of this year. We will analyze the performance reports every month and take actions if the targets are not received.